In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Zoom to Bigin CRM. Whether you're managing customer relationships or scheduling meetings, integrating Zoom with Bigin CRM can simplify your workflow and keep everything organized in one place. We'll go through the process step by step, making it easy for you to follow along. Let's begin by signing in to your Bigin CRM account. This is your central hub for managing contacts, deals, and more, so make sure you've got your login credentials ready. Once you're in, you'll want to set your sights on the settings section, which you can identify by the gear icon. Think of this as the command center where you control your integrations and customizations. Next, you're going to navigate to the toppings or marketplace. This area houses various integrations and extensions that can enhance your Bigin experience. To streamline your search, type Zoom into the search bar. This will quickly pinpoint the integration you're interested in. Now let's move on to installing the Zoom integration. Click on the Zoom integration when it appears. You should see options like Install or Connect. Go ahead and click that button. At this stage, you'll probably see a list of requested permissions. It's important to review these permissions to understand what data and functionalities you'll be allowing Bigin to access through Zoom. This ensures both platforms can work together effectively while maintaining your data security. Once you've reviewed the permissions, you're ready to authorize your Zoom account. You'll be redirected to the Zoom sign-in page. Now take a moment to log in using your Zoom credentials. This is a crucial step because it creates the linkage between your Zoom and Bigin accounts. After logging into Zoom, you'll see an Authorize button. This button is your green light to grant Bigin access to your Zoom account. By clicking Authorize for Bigin, you're basically telling Zoom and Bigin, "Yes, I'm happy for you to talk to each other." This will allow you to schedule, manage, and conduct meetings directly through the integrated platforms. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully linked Zoom to your Bigin CRM. This integration will not only save you time, but also help you manage your relationships and meetings more efficiently. Whether you're hosting product demos, team meetings, or one-on-one client calls, having everything synchronized will make your life a whole lot easier. So, take a deep breath and enjoy the streamlined experience this integration brings to your workflow. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out for support. Until next time, happy integrating.